Now let's see subject, verb, object structure. 我喜欢他。我喜欢他。喜欢 is state verb, and we use 不 to negate state verb. Please remember this. In Chinese, there are several types of verb, and this state verb use 不 to negate. So, 我不喜欢他。我不喜欢他。我喜欢李小姐。不喜欢王小姐。Here, the second part. We omit the subject 我 because 我 the stem. And we speak 我喜欢李小姐. We all know the subject is 我. So here, the same subject we can omit. 我喜欢李小姐，不喜欢王小姐。In English, you must have 我 this subject. In English, you will say 我喜欢李小姐，我不喜欢王小姐。But in Chinese sentence, we usually omit the noun we all know. There's 你喜欢什么？你喜欢什么？什么 is a question word to ask what. And in Chinese, subject, verb, and object. 我喜欢书 book. Book is a thing. If I don't know the object, we just use question word 什么 to replace 书 and use question mark to form a question sentence. We don't change the order of the words. So, 我 to be 你。你喜欢什么？我爱爸爸妈妈。我爱爸爸妈妈。Okay, see you next time. Bye.